Ladies and gentlemen, we are live. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome to market update. The market is pumping today. We have a very green day in the cryptocurrency market. It's good to see the market green. The market has been dumping to gobbling town in the last 1 week. And right now, all coins are pumping to higher prices. Bitcoin has rallied up by more than 8% in the last 24 hours. Is this just a fake pump to the upside? Are we gearing up to start dumping down to gobbling town? Or are we continuing that bear market alt season that we've been waiting for? A lot of altcoins are up double digits today in the last 24 hours. Render token is up 31%. Casper is up 19% in the last 24 hours. We have seen Conflux, Injective, EJLD. Bitcoin, the king of the market, has rallied up by 7.4% in the last 24 hours. Liquidations are rising in the market. A lot of traders are getting liquidated. People are betting the market to start dumping to gobbling town. And you know the crypto market is very volatile. We have seen over 37,000 traders liquidated in the last 24 hours. Where is Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll be taking a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart. Bitcoin is currently trading above $29,000. We have seen Ethereum, the king of all coins in the market, also trade as close to as $2,000. Ethereum has gotten to as high as $1,963. Can we continue this bear market rally, or is this the final pump before we start dumping to gobbling town? We'll also take a look at the total crypto market cap. We've risen back to as high as the $1.2 trillion. In February, we saw the total crypto market cap pumping to higher prices, and after that dump, a lot of people are doubting this rally, but that rally took us to higher prices. So is that exactly what's happening right now? Are we going to see this rally continue, taking out the $1.25 trillion level we got to? Guys, a lot of questions will need to be answered in the coming days and the coming weeks. We'll take a look at the altcoin market. We're still around the $400 billion region. We're taking a look at what the altcoin market did in the previous bear market, and then we're taking a look at new stories happening in the cryptocurrency market. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Which altcoins do you think are going to continue pumping? Do you think we're going to see that bear market alt season right now? If we go on a weekly time frame, a lot of altcoins are still down. Last week, we saw huge dumps in the market. If we go on a monthly time frame, we're seeing some altcoins giving us signs of life, pumping to higher prices. Render token right now is up more than 101% in the last 1 month. Casper is up 66%. We have Woo up 46%, Injective up 122%. And guys, these are just the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. If we go to the top 200, we have other coins that are giving us big pumps to the upside. Jasmine coin is up more than 40% over the last 1 month. The last 24 hours is seeing big pumps for the altcoin market. In the last 24 hours, over 37,000 traders have been liquidated. The total liquidation comes in at $144 million. The largest single liquidation happened on Bybit. One trader was liquidated for $2.2 million. Bitcoin has accounted for over $7 million of those liquidations. Ethereum has accounted for over $2.1 million of those liquidations in the last 4 hours. If you go on the 24-hour time frame, over $72 million have been liquidated from Bitcoin traders, and over $27 million have been liquidated from Ethereum traders. Be careful out there, guys. The market is pumping to higher prices. A lot of people are shorting the market, thinking we will be dumping to gobbling town. We've seen the total crypto market cap pump up more than 6.69% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is trading around $29,716. Bitcoin has risen over 7% in the last 24 hours. And in the last 60 days, Bitcoin is up 29%. In the last 90 days, Bitcoin is up 29%. Ethereum, king of all coins in the market, up 5.8%. Bitcoin is currently outperforming Ethereum in this bounce we're having, but Ethereum is up over 22% in the last 60 and 90 days. BNB is up 2.44% in the last 24 hours, and some other altcoins that had huge pumps in the top 10. We had Solana up 7%, Polygon up 7%, Dogecoin 4%, Cardano 7%, and XRP gave us only an 8% pump to the upside. Most of the coins in the top 100 coins are gaining. Render token is the biggest gainer in this rally we are seeing. Render token has gone up by 36%, Injective 27%, Conflux, Casper, and Multiverse X are among the huge gainers in the last 24 hours. Will this rally continue to the upside? Guys, our model portfolio, there was an update on the channel yesterday for the model portfolio. Deeper correction. The portfolio was around $151,000. Right now, we've seen the altcoin market pump to higher prices. The portfolio has gotten to as high as $160,000. We'll be taking some profits off the table. I'll be showing you reasons why I believe the market is in a very, very dangerous position right now. If we continue pumping to higher prices, we might get in some of our positions, but we'll be taking some profits off the table for some of these coins that have pumped to higher prices, so that in case we see any dumps gobbling down, we'll start accumulating more. Right now, we're having a green day. Remember, after green days comes red days. And if you take a look at the crypto fear and greed index, this index tells us whether the market is greedy, whether people are willing to buy all coins. And right now, the market is greedy. We saw us fall into neutral when Bitcoin dumped to as low as $26,000. But we've been stuck in this greed region for over the last 1 month. And guys, remember, since the turn of the year, Bitcoin has been bullish, which if we see us dumping to gobbling down, it's not be surprising. We have seen Bitcoin pumping to higher prices since the 1st of January 2023. Take a look at what Bitcoin was doing when we started the year. We ended 2023 and 2022 on a very sad note. Bitcoin looked as if it was going to be dumping to gobbling down. But what happened? We saw Bitcoin start the year on a very bright note, pumping to higher prices, and Bitcoin has rallied up by 85%. If you're one of those smart investors that even bought Bitcoin at the $15,500 region, you would have seen your Bitcoin investment give you like 100% pump to the upside. But where Bitcoin is currently trading right now, guys, it's a very, very dangerous situation. Where Bitcoin is currently trading right now, I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin dumping to gobbling down, maybe coming back to the $25,000 region. Now, let me show you why I believe we might see Bitcoin come to $25,000 at some point in time. A lot of people want to agree that Bitcoin should come this low, but guys, take a look at what Bitcoin has been doing throughout this bear market. That has $25,000 level has been very, very critical for Bitcoin. Bitcoin was dumping to gobbling down when we first got to the $25,000 level in May 2022. What happened? We had a bounce back up to as high as $32,000. Let's take a look at that level, another very, very important level. Then what happened to Bitcoin? Bitcoin got rejected at that $32,000 level. Bitcoin started dumping to gobbling down. When we got to $17,000, we had a bounce. Where did that bounce stop? Around that $25,000 level again. Take a look at what happened when we started pumping to higher prices in 2023. Where did we see us finding resistance? Around the $23,000 region. So I'll not be shocked to see in the coming days and the coming weeks if we see Bitcoin coming back to the $25,000 region, maybe just to backtest it. Guys, remember, we're still deep in the bear market. Bitcoin is still not pumping to all-time highs anytime soon. We'll still ride our wave through these bear markets. Bear markets can be long. Bear markets can be very boring. If we go to Bitcoin's price chart on a 4-hour time frame, let me show you why I might be selling some position if we see Bitcoin dumping to lower prices. Now, let's use the Fibonacci retracement tool for Bitcoin. From the top that came in for Bitcoin right here at $31,000 to the bottom where we saw Bitcoin get to in this recent dump, that's around $26,900. Guys, this is just a short-term play. We're just trying to get some capital off the table so that we can buy the dump when we see all coins of Bitcoin dumping to gobbling down. Our total profit right now in this portfolio is around $55,000. We want to protect some of those gains so that the market dumps, we can have more capital to buy more as we prepare for that wonderful, wonderful alt-season pump that we're talking about. We're taking a look at the altcoin season index later in the video. But take a look at what Bitcoin has done in this retracement. Bitcoin has come from $31,000. Bitcoin has gone to as low as $26,000. And Bitcoin is looking as if it's having problems as it's getting to 702 retracement level. If you take a look at Bitcoin RSI on the 4-hour time frame, it already looks as if it wants to continue dumping to gobbling down. And if it starts dumping, because we have a green day today, if we start having a red day tomorrow, guys, I'll be taking some profits off the table, because if Bitcoin starts dumping to gobbling down, let's not be shocked to see Bitcoin coming back to that $25,000 region. It doesn't mean the bear market rally is over. It might just mean we're just going to take a chill pill for a while. I still believe we'll still see Bitcoin rallying towards $40,000. But remember, it has to take a long while to happen. We're not going to see all the pump happen today. Take a look at what happened in the previous bull market. We saw Bitcoin pumping for around 3 years. But it didn't happen. There was a lot of scary things along the way. From December 2018, Bitcoin rallied till November of 2021, pumping for over 1,066 days. But along the way, there was pumps, there was dumps, there was pumps, there was dumps. Finally, Bitcoin worked its way from $3,100 to as high as $69,000. Now let's take a look at the Altcoin Season Index. This index tells us where capital is flowing into the crypto market. Is it going to Bitcoin or is it going to the altcoin market? On a seasonal time frame, that's over the period of 90 days, it's telling us capital has been flowing to the Bitcoin market. And guys, over time, anytime you see capital flowing to the Bitcoin market like this aggressively, it has always been a good time to buy altcoins. The last time we saw a very clear signal like this was in August of 2021, and we saw altcoins having one final pump to the upside. So I'll not be shocked to see us still having that one final pump to the upside. So that's why we'll still be having some altcoins in our portfolio, even though we'll be selling some, because this pump looks very, very suspicious. It's very, very suspicious that we'll just start dumping to Goblin Town. All of a sudden, we'll see big pumps to the upside. But remember, guys, we're still hodling all our coins till the end of the next bull run. What we're doing right here is taking some profit off the table. We got in when most of these coins were down. Say our Bitcoin purchase was at $17,000. Our Ethereum purchase was around $1,100, Axie Infinity $8. So we got in when the market was low, and right now the market is kind of high from our entry point. So we'll be taking some profit off the table so that we can have more stable coins when the market eventually dumps, which I think we might see a temporary pullback in the coming days and the coming weeks. Take a look at what the Altcoin Season Index is telling us on a monthly time frame. It's telling us capital is slowly leaving Bitcoin market. Capital is finding a way to work its way back into the altcoin market, but Bitcoin is still taking the shine from altcoins, and we only have 53 crypto projects that have a market cap of over $1 billion. They're called crypto unicorns, and right now the crypto unicorn index is telling us only 53 projects have a market cap of over $1 billion. At the top of the bull run, more than 135 projects had a market cap of over $1 billion. Now let's take a look at king of all coins in the market, Ethereum, currently trading around the $1,948 region. Can Ethereum get to as high as $2,000? Guys, I think that's very, very possible. We might see Ethereum rally towards $2,000. If Ethereum is going to rally towards $2,000 from where we're currently trading, we can easily see Ethereum pump up by just 4-5%, which is very, very possible. A lot of people can start betting that Ethereum will be dumping to Goblin Town. A 4% pump for Ethereum is very, very possible. If Ethereum cannot pass through $2,000, guys, let's get ready to see maybe, just maybe, Ethereum dumping to Goblin Town. Yes, a lot of people are excited. We should start continue pumping to the moon. The bear market rally is not yet over. Remember, guys, even the bear market, we're going to have a lot of pumps. Even the bear market, we are going to have a lot of dumps. Yes, we're happy Ethereum sets new highs right here, pumping above the high we set in August of 2022, which I believe long term we'll still see Ethereum pumping to higher prices. But on a shorter time frame, let's see what we have been doing since the start of the year. We have been pumping to higher prices since November of 2022. We have been rallying up for around 155 days right now. Yes, it might not look as if we have been rallying for that long. It's because a lot of people have been doubting this rally since when it started. If you got Ethereum when it was trading around $1,083, right now around the $1,900 region, you would have been up around 79% from your entry. So Ethereum has pumped really well since the start of the year. I'll not be shocked to see us have a temporary pullback to the downside. It's very, very possible. And if we see Bitcoin and Ethereum pulling down in the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, the total crypto market cap hopefully will hold around this $1.1 trillion. The total crypto market cap might not dump that well, but if we see the total crypto market cap going below the $1 trillion region, that might just spell trouble for us in this bear market rally, because we're expecting Bitcoin to come towards $25,000. $25,000 for Bitcoin was where Bitcoin was trading in August of 2022. So Bitcoin was trading around $25,000 then. If we see Bitcoin dumping towards that $25,000 region from where Bitcoin is trading right now, Bitcoin will see a 17% dump to Goblin Town. Now, if Ethereum is going to be dumping In August of 2022, Ethereum was trading around $2,000. So obviously, we'll see Ethereum finding support maybe around the $1,700 region. If we're lucky, we might even be able to buy Ethereum back at $1,600. But Ethereum would have been trading lower than where it was trading in August, and we might see the altcoin market suffer for that. Bitcoin dominance might start pumping to higher prices. A 13% dump will carry Ethereum there. So if Ethereum is going to be dumping around 17 to 18% just like Bitcoin, let's not be shocked to see Ethereum even getting to as low as $1,500. We're happy we're pumping to higher prices, guys. Let's be happy. Yes, we're having green days. We've been having red days and red weeks. But when we're having green days is when you want to be making those plans, either taking some profits off the table, either planning for the future. You don't want to be buying when we have a green day. You want to buy when we have a red day. You want to sell for profits when we have a green day, just like today. A lot of coins are up double digits. If you take a look at the altcoin market, currently sitting around the $378 billion region. The altcoin market has not been able to rally above that August 2022 price. We have seen Bitcoin pump above it. We have seen Ethereum pump above it. I believe at some point in time in this bear market, we're going to see the altcoin market rally above that $455 billion region. But the highest we got to, 17th of April 2023, we got to as high as the $406 billion region for the first time since November of 2022. So Ethereum and Bitcoin are currently outperforming the altcoin market. The altcoin market is still under this big bear market resistance around $406 billion. Maybe if we pump one more time, we'll go and try to rally above it. But guys, if we see Bitcoin pumping to higher prices, if we see Ethereum pumping to higher prices, if this rally is real, if we wake up tomorrow and we see the market continue pumping, Bitcoin just continues going up $31,000, maybe $32,000, we see Ethereum almost playing the same move, pumping above $2,100, guys. In that situation, I will not be shocked to see the altcoin market rally to the $455 billion region. Maybe, just maybe, even getting to as high as the $500 billion region. But for us to get there, something crazy in the market will have to happen. And right now, the market is pumping to higher prices. Everybody's happy. A lot of traders are getting liquidated. If you are shorting the market, you won't be happy. But if the market will get to that $500 billion region, the altcoin market will have to pump that high. We'll have to see the altcoin market rally up by around 32% to the upside. Now, Bitcoin dominance is pumping to higher prices. Bitcoin dominance is another metric that tells us where capital is residing in the crypto market. If we see Bitcoin dominance increasing, it means traders and investors are favoring Bitcoin. If we see Bitcoin dominance dumping, it means investors are favoring altcoins. And we've seen Bitcoin dominance pumping to higher prices since September of 2022. Bitcoin dominance is up more than 24%. Currently, Bitcoin dominance at 48%. If we can break that 49% region, we might just see Bitcoin dominance continue pumping to higher prices. But a lot of us are waiting for the altcoin market to pump. But for the altcoin market to pump, we have to see Bitcoin dominance start dumping, and that dump has to happen very quickly. We're expecting the Bitcoin dominance to dump around the 44% region, guys. If Bitcoin dominance can get that low, maybe, just maybe, we'll be getting that big pump to the upside that we've been waiting for in the altcoin market. I still believe we're still going to see Altseason. The Altseason index is telling us to get more altcoins right now. And over time, the Altseason index has been right. I don't think this time is different. The last time we saw altcoins really having a great time in the market was in August of 2022. Now, August of 2022 was when Bitcoin was getting to as high as $25,000. We saw Ethereum getting to as high as $2,000. And right now, the altcoin season index is telling us to accumulate altcoins. It's telling us conditions in the market as the same as we saw in May of 2022, as we saw in August of 2021, and those conditions that we also saw in November of 2020. And after those conditions were met, we saw the market pumping to higher prices. So I'll not be shocked to see us pumping to higher prices in the coming days and in the coming weeks. Now, let's take a look at the US dollar currency index, guys. This index tells us whether the dollar is pumping or whether the dollar is doing well. And right now, the dollar is actually not doing well. The dollar is gearing up to dump. If the dollar loses this 100 region, the 100.728 region, we might see the altcoin market and Bitcoin and crypto just having one final push to the upside. Now, remember, the dollar is not going to dump to zero. We might break this support level and come back to back test it. And when all that is happening, we might see the crypto market either pumping or dumping. But right now, we're pumping. We're around the top end of this range. The last time we were at this range, take a look at what Bitcoin was doing. Bitcoin was just perambulating, ranging about the $32,000 region to the $28,000 region. So is history repeating itself again? Let's take a look at news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Binance.us backs out of 1 billion Voyager asset purchase, blames regulatory environment. The parties got the go-ahead on the deal last week after overcoming several objections, but Binance.us has changed its mind. These people are playing chess. First, the US government didn't want them to buy it. Then, the US government said they should buy it, and now Binance is saying they are backed out of the deal. Interesting to see who will be the next person to try to buy Voyage. Third time the champ, ARK and 21 shares files with SEC for Bitcoin ETF. Cathy Wood and crypto investment firm 21 shares are tripling down on their attempt to get approval to create a spot Bitcoin ETF in the US. FTX sells Ledger X for $50 million to affiliate of Miami-based exchange holding company. The future on options exchange was purchased by FTX in 2021 to expand the spot trading services. 3 other FTX assets remain up for sale. Bitcoin advocates rallies as Texas state capital to oppose bill cutting mining incentives. When you target one industry the way they are with this bill, that's bad policy no matter what the industry you are targeting, says Satoshi Action Fund CEO Dennis Porter. The government looks as if they're attacking Bitcoin right now. We're hearing about regulations and we're hearing about a bill that will affect Bitcoin miners. Apple outside payment ban rules as unlawfully unlikely win for NFTs and crypto. Unless Apple appeals the decision and has its ruling overturned, developers are free to direct app users to their own system and make purchases. Our UK financial watchdog to crypto industry, let's work together. The Financial Conduct Authority wants input from crypto companies on moving forward with regulation. Interesting to see, guys. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Which altcoins do you see pumping to higher prices in the coming days and the coming weeks? The altcoin market is green right now. Bitcoin is green. Do you think Bitcoin can pump above $32,000? Bitcoin is currently rallying to higher prices. Bitcoin is trading around the $29,000 region. Bitcoin looks as if it wants to break to higher prices, but there's still resistance waiting for us around the $32,000 region. Where will Bitcoin head to? Let's take a look at more news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Bitcoin price jumps in wake of First Republic Bank price crash. The price of Bitcoin has bounced upward as First Republic Bank deposit slump sparks fresh banking crisis fears in the United States. So apparently that's why Bitcoin is pumping. We're hearing that First Republic Bank price crash, and last time we saw Bitcoin pumping, we're hearing the banks were going to collapse. Bitcoin was going to go to $1 million in 90 days. Obviously that was not true. Bitcoin was just pumping by its own. The price of Bitcoin sparked more than 3% in 24 hours as fears were sparked of another possible imminent bank failure as First Republic Bank shares closed down more than 50% on April 25th. Interesting to see. Crypto is pumping as legacy markets are dumping. The dagger with Google new cloud backup for 2FA authentication. The Google new 2FA authenticating updates could leave users vulnerable to hack. Be careful out there, guys. A lot of hacks are happening, and right now we're hearing that Google's new 2FA authentication app added a much needed feature, the ability to sync secrets across devices. Bitcoin white paper quietly removed by Apple from latest Mac OS beta. We had some few weeks ago that if you check your MacBook, you will see Bitcoin white paper. And right now, Bitcoin white paper has secretly shipped inside all versions of Apple operating system since 2018. But we're hearing the latest update that Bitcoin white paper has been removed from the update. Solana Labs ChatGPT plugin allows AI to fetch blockchain data. The plugin will allow the AI chatbot to check wallet balances, transfer tokens, and purchase NFTs when OpenAI makes plugins more widely available. Guys, how do you see AI affecting crypto in the coming days and the coming weeks? All coins are pumping to higher prices. Ethereum, the king of all coins, is getting to as high as $1,900. Remember, we're still deep in the bear market, and for long-term investors, the bear market is where you want to accumulating, getting ready for the next crypto bull run. But remember, you always want to have some capital on the side, and the best time to do that is when the market is green like today, guys. All coins might be pumping, but remember, I've been dumping for the last 1 week. And if you take a look at most of the altcoins in the market, they are not setting higher highs. This is still a lower high. So except we pump above, for the total crypto market cap, above the $1.26 trillion level, except we pump above the $406 billion region for the altcoin market, we might still continue dumping to Goblin Town, and that dump might be very, very aggressive. Cycle's Fed payment real goals could be crushed by NY Fed policy change. Update rules by New York Fed could deem stablecoin issuer Cycle ineligible for access to the Fed money market. USDC has been having issues. A lot of issues have been coming to them since this bear market started. Cycle CEO blames US crypto crackdown for declining USDC market cap. The market cap of USDC, a stablecoin issued by Cycle, has reduced nearly by half over the past 6 months following a regulatory crackdown and banking crisis. Bitcoin price gains 6% as First Republic Bank's drama delights Bitcoin bull. Bitcoin continues to benefit from unfolding nerves over US bank stability as BTC price short squeeze becomes possible once more. And a lot of traders are getting liquidated, guys. Be careful. You don't want to be getting liquidated in these conditions. Bear markets are very brutal. The fact that we're in a bear market doesn't mean we're not going to be dumping to Goblin Town in the last 24 hours. Most of the people liquidated as people shorting the market. Take a look at Debris, 99% of them were shorts. BitMix, 99% were short. Binance, the biggest exchange, over 86% liquidated in the last 24 hours were short. And the total liquidations in the crypto market in the last 24 hours were people that were shorting the market. So be careful out there, guys. You don't want to be shorting the market. You don't want to be losing capital in the bear market. The bear market is where you want to be accumulating. Take a look at what has been happening right now. Take a look at just shorts have been liquidated in the bear market. It doesn't mean longs won't get liquidated. A lot of people are going to be long in the market now, thinking that we're going to be pumping to higher prices. Guys, the best time to long the market was yesterday before the pump happened. Right now, I'm not saying you should go and short the market, but some smart people are going to be shorting the market because we might just see us easily dump some more to Goblin Town. We've been stuck in greed for majority of the last 3 months. Since the start of the year, we've seen the crypto fear and greed index be in greed. We've only come to fear for like 2 different times. But if you go on a yearly time frame, you see that we spent majority of 2022 in extreme fear. But that pump has started since June of 2022. So I'll not be shocked if the selling me and go away theory is going to work in 2023. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Follow us on all social media platforms at Mr. Legend Crypto. Drop latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. You can join our membership on the channel. If you want to join any, we have 3 different categories. You can become a family, you can become a clan, or you can become a Jedi General. See you guys in my next video. Bye.